mojawapo ya kabila za pwani nchini Kenya, wimbo rasmi ulitungwa na Thomas Johnson Kalume.
Ili kuset asante kwa kunipigia kama skiza tune yako, dial *811 *622#.
Kuma Kirinyaga, Kiri Biroiro, Kiajahi, Mutaburuko wa Nyandarua, Orerorera Kameme TV.
Ni tariki 17 ni aramithi ya kiumia kunyita ugeni murari wa Kameme TV gukujurire gikuju gitu kia mohoro gitao ithaigima gumenyithuria bururi uikaire ni njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndungu tunanyambura wa musha thiini wa metha ya utauri tukiambiriria ikuju gitu ni ati mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni okirire mwena wa mung'ethaniro akiuga atongoria ya matina tafarira magirahira gukuruma kinyaniri ya guteithia muige akiaria ari mwena wa Soweto guku Nairobi Ruto ugite thirikari yake ina maundu maingi iraheire hari hamwe na waki wa nyumba cia raithi iria ciandikite mbeu njithi aigi. Reke tuthikiririe.
Nataka kutuweka kwa siasa mfululizo, ati siasa ya chuki, siasa ya kisirani, siasa ya ukabila, siasa ya fujo, siasa ya vita, ya kuharibu mali ya wananchi. Mimi nataka niwaambie hawa viongozi, we have no time for violence. We have no time for chaos. We have no time for ethnicity. We want to build our country. Anybody who has a plan for Kenya should tell these young people what plan they have for them to have jobs. I have a plan. Let them come with theirs. Tunaelewana, my friends? Tukubaliane jameni, tulinde taifa letu. Katika nchi hii, vijana hawawezi kupata ajira kama kuna fujo. Vijana hawawezi kupata ajira kama kuna vita. Tunataka amani ndio tuweze kupanga mambo ya maendeleo ya taifa letu. Nairobi hoye! Nairobi hoye! Mnasema tuendelee? Mnasema tuendelee?
Shera ria President Soweto Nairobi riboti une kumeamukira mohoro-ini maitu maria mekurumirira na kuo thirikari ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni hinyiririe muingi na makiria mbeu njithi withemana na uthukangia wa indo hindi ya mirurungano na iria iracũngĩrĩria hathara kuri ene biacara. Rĩtana rĩikĩtio nĩ munini wa gavana wa Cira Gĩthanda akiuga ciĩko ici cia kũingata aigithia na ũguo kũrwo nĩ mĩeke ya mawĩra. Gĩthanda arĩtio hĩndĩ ya kũhingũrwo gwa bengi ya I&M mwena wa Mwea.
Mirurungano iria ikoretwo bururi-ini ikoretwo ikirehe wanangiki na uthukagia wa biacara undu uria uracungiria hathara kuri onjoria. Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kuhingura bengi ya Ayande mwena wa Mwea, munini wa gavana Wachira Githanda ni ahinyiriirie muingi gwithemana na uthukagia wa indo makiria hindi ya mirurungano.
Kenya ni twacokia ngatho muno ni undu wa bengi ino guka kuhingura uguo mahingura guku na ni twa gavana witu ni arageria muno uria tungirehe bengi ta ici guku Kirinyaga niguo iteithiririe arimi aitu maundu-ini ma urimi, maundu ma guteithiririo gukova mbeca ingiteithiriria arimi guku Mwea na Kirinyaga yothe.
Githanda augite ciiko ici ni iraguoyohia igithia aria maya kuhinga biacara ciao na uguo gucungiriria kurwo ni mieke ya mawira.
Na ni mwakiona already maroga maundu ma marikaga matirire hagia tondu maroga ati bank to bank M-Pesa niguo maroga ni sare kabisa. Koguo muke turore kana ni uhoro wa moguo maroga kana ni uhoro wa sare kana ni uhoro wa ma.
Ihinda-ini riu ni atugiritie gutherema gwa tauni ya Mwea kiwonjoria, akiuga thirikari ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni irutire kunyitira onjoria na njira ya kumahe riera riega ria kurutira wira.
Bengi wenda gutwara thimu-ini yaku gutiri kindu uririhagio na tondu guku andu ni maguragirwo mucere we warihwo mucere-ini ugaikia akaunti-ini yaku gutuma akaunti yaku gutiri kindu urikaga ate gutiri kindu uririhagio na ti ati ni vingo twambiriria campaign ino na ngwiciria ni tuthiite almost 2 years plus and courtesy of that we have actually doubled our customer base within those 2 years, which is a testament that what we are doing, we are serving the community and the community is appreciating our services.
Mwena-ini wa igithia makiranira guthie na mbere gukuria kaunti ya Kirinyaga.
I&M Bank karibuni sana Kirinyaga. I also welcome others. Ona rangi toga andu aria mangi kuinvest guku gwitu Kirinyaga moke na turamakaribisha, gavana witu ni aramakaribisha na moko meri.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, Njitogwo Wainaina wa KRA.
Nĩ ngatho Wainaina wa KRA kuma kaunti ya Kirinyaga. Tumurike riboti ingi na mabishofu wa kanitha wa Gatoreki na atongoria angi a kĩndini marĩ na gĩikaro na andĩki a mohoro kwarĩria maũndũ matiganĩte marĩa marahutia bũrũri. Mũcemanio ũyũ ũkĩte o rĩrĩ President William Ruto akoretwo agĩũkĩrĩra makanitha nĩ kũnyita mbaru mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa maratabania mĩrũrũngano.
Because again, that's number one, that we need to power and resources are closest to the people at the grassroots. Now, this is a move by this provision of that enactment to try to bring back to where politicians, especially at the national level, in Parliament, to control and reduce the resources that go to the devolved unit. That is against the spirit of devolution, and we do not want. As Kenyans, we have made a decision to devolve power and resources closest to the people, and it also affords people the opportunity to participate in the management of their resources, to set their priorities and to manage their resources, which they generate through their taxation. That is one. Number two, Parliament does not have the responsibility of managing resources. It has the business of passing legislation after consultation with the people, because they represent the people. They should not pass any laws, enact any bills without proper participation and consultation with the people, because they represent the people. They are people's servants. They are not people's masters. They should not dictate the business of the people. So they have usurped the role of the county government and the national government. Secondly, they have forgotten their supervisory role. It is not their business to go and manage resources at the grassroots level. We have the county governments, and that's the purpose for devolution. Their business is to supervise what the government is doing, to pass bills, and to hold the government to account through regular reports from the ministries and also regular reports addressed by the head of state on a regular basis to hold the government to account on behalf of the people, but not go down to the grassroots to do what the people can do for themselves. Thank you.
So do you want the money to go to the counties?
Definitely. They are more capable. And if they don't have the capacity, they can be given that capacity. Kenyans are capable of managing their own affairs. And if they lack such capacity, they know how to obtain the capacity to do so. But we must not wrestle that power that has been granted to them by some other weird methods. Yes.
In other words, what we are saying is that much as CDF might be very popular in Kenya, the fact that the money may actually trickle down to the people, we are just speaking a matter of principle, the division or segregation of duties, the three arms of government, that it is not the work of the parliament to execute. That ought to be left to the national government and to counting governments. So we're just suggesting that the money that goes to the MPs as CDF should actually be devolved to the county governments to give this person.
Na hiyo ni ndumiriri ya mabishofu wa kanitha wa Gatoreki ĩgiĩ maũndũ matiganĩte marĩa maragũmĩra bũrũri makĩria ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ. Tũgũkĩra riboti ĩngĩ kũrĩa minista wa kĩgĩna John Mbadi athiĩte na mbere gũkĩrĩra mũmbunge wa Kiharu Ndĩndĩ Nyoro kumana na mĩario yake akiuga atĩ nyongerera ya thogora wa maguta ĩracũngĩrĩrio nĩ itua rĩa thirikari kuoya ngombo bilioni 175 iria irũgamĩrĩirwo nĩ kĩgĩna kĩa ũmenyereri wa mabarabara kĩa RMLF, akĩmũria atige gũtũũka maũndũ atarĩ na ũma namo. Na kũringana na Mbadi, itua rĩa kuoya ngombo ĩno rĩrongoreirie kũhotithia ũrĩkĩrĩria wa tabarĩra cia waki wa barabara iria irũgamĩte kuona ihũthĩkĩte kũrĩha mathirĩ marĩa ĩrarĩ namo ma ene kandarathi arĩa mahetwo wĩra wa gwaka barabara ici. Tũthikĩrĩrie mĩario ĩyo.
On IBC, will we have enough funds in 2027 to have election? You know, we have no choice. We must have elections in 2027. And even the by-elections. So we have to look for, realign our budgets. There is a provision of money. I know IBC is complaining, but we are also telling IBC they must be efficient. The cost of election in this country is too high. So they must be efficient. There are things that we are, you know, we did this with examination. We got a list from the ministry initially, from Kenya National Examination Council, honorable members, to approve for national examination. And the Kenyans, people were making noise, we have not provided money. We were doing a lot of work on the background. And we rejected that list. It was over 6 billion for items. Later, that has since been revised to below 4 billion. We have almost like saved 50% just by asking tough questions around administration of examination. There are things that we bought, surveillance camera last year. Then again, you are asked to buy surveillance. We are asked, but we had surveillance cameras last year in the last examination. So even IBC, we are going to ask IBC questions. There are things that you buy and you don't dispose immediately. Why do you buy them in every electoral cycle? You want new things. Even ballot boxes. These things, even though they looked, who is fighting with them? Why must they be bought every election? So a lot of things a lot of savings can be realized, and we will realize it, and we will run our elections in 2027 within the time required, and I don't think there will be any hitch. Thank you.
Mheshimiwa Nyoka. I'm sorry I was late because of another commitment. I'm happy to see you, and I like the John Mbadi I'm seeing. The John Mbadi I'm seeing is the John Mbadi who we agreed that we have to try and fix the mess we have got. So I begin to say that, first of all, thank you for the fact that it looks like you've understood the dysfunctionality of our system. So I'm going to ask you questions. They are actually all of them related. I'll start with what you raised about the reforms that you're conducting. One of the things that these committees of ours in the Senate have been looking at is, number one, let me talk personally. I think the PFM Act has been completely dismembered deliberately. If you go back and see what the county governments are doing, if you look at how they are spending the money and what they need to do. For example, CS, I can give you just a very simple example. That many of the county governments, once they have spent the money, and of course I'm very, very happy that you have introduced the e-procurement. I hope that in your reforms, the e-procurement will be linked directly to the
Nigikaro kiria kirathie na mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya Senate igia utamburukia wa mahinya na hau mbere Minister wa Kigina John Mbadi niguo gikoretwo agiukirira mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro ni undu wa mĩario yake igimaine na niki kiratumire hihi mathogora ma maguta makiambatire gatagati ga ciringi 9 riboti yo ni kumiamukira mohoro-ini maitu no arakiriria maundu maingi ari hamwe na mehaririria ma IBC na kiria kiragibatarania tugithie na mbere riria arutwo a grade 9 mathiete na mbere gucagura mathukuru maria magathie senior school mwaka ukite makiria ma mathukuru 5,000 gutire murutwo ona umwe cagurite hona thengia wa gukorwo thukuru ciothe cia secondary ni 9,750. Wadiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo niwe urekereirio riboti no kiuga ni marathoni magitumigia thukuru nyingi kwa gucagurwo indi akauga ni gukinyanirio ikiro niguo arutwo othe milioni 1.2 makagia meke ya kuingira senior secondary.
The selection is now over. We have given an opportunity to our 1.2 learners to select schools, and we have 9,750 secondary schools around the country, and what we are now going to call senior schools. And all our learners have got an opportunity to choose the schools they like. And from the selection results, we have seen clearly that more than 5,000 schools out of the 9,700 did not get any learners selected. Reason is because some of these schools, maybe the learners do not prefer them, and other reasons, including locality, preferences, and such other reasons. But I want to say that we have enough capacity for the 1.2 million learners, and that we are very keen at ensuring that every learner in this country gets an opportunity in senior school. We have recategorized schools into 4. Cluster 1, which are former national schools, Cluster 2, which are former extra county schools, Cluster 3, which are the former county schools, and Cluster 4, which are largely the day schools. And most of these schools which have not received students are the day schools, sub-county schools, schools which maybe have low enrollment, and such other reasons. Just like the same way COOPS does its own selection, we are going to do a very open, digital-driven process. In the structure of CBE, we are saying 40% is continuous assessment, and that's what we have used to allow learners to select. But the final decision on placement will wait until we have the 60% of the results, which is coming late November, so that we place students. The schools have received 60% of the capitation, and there's still a balance. And we are working together with them to ensure that everything that is due for this term is received. There was a special audit that was done recently by the Auditor General, and in the special audit, as you may be aware, as Minister of Education, we don't usually get to cross-check the facts because there were inconsistencies in the special audit. Such that some schools which you know very, very well, like Mangu in the special audit, were being shown there are no students. Like Alliance, there are no students. So there were some inconsistencies because in special audits, you just do an audit and present. But in ordinary audits, you have the user to be able to check, to confirm that the information is accurate.
Tugukire magoti-ini kuria igoti ria Milimani ritianirie riathaniria gwikio ngono kwa mubunge wa Juja George Koimburi na ithenya-ini riu akorio gikinya igoti-ini muthenya wa rucio gwitika thitango iria imung'etheire. Koimburi kana mwerekera uyu ukite thutha wa mawakiri kirago wathuta na mageto uria marugamirire Koimburi kwira igoti ati ndangathiri igoti muno arathie na mbere kwamukira urigiti thibitari-ini wa Karen. Mwana wa thitango gitongorio ni Victor Owiti ni ugeririe kuria igoti ritikae kweheria warandi ino no mucithania Ben Makikumbi athana Koimburi agikinya igoti-ini rucio. Koimburi na angi atandatu mathitangirwo kubanga na gukinyaniria njama ya kwinyita migwate. Haya, tugitigana na icio ciĩgiĩ Koimburi tugukira ingĩ kuria gũkũ bũrũri ũkĩharĩria nĩ ũndũ wa ithurano cia mwaka wa 2027. Ndeto nĩ ihithũkĩte ũrĩa warĩ mwena wa thirikari ũrabanga njama ya gũkaia kura. Mwandĩki mũnene wa kĩama kĩa Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni augĩte kwa ihinda rĩrĩ thirikari nĩ yambĩrĩirie mĩtaratara ya gũkaia gĩthurano. Kioni akiuga kũrĩ na mũbango wa kwĩma mbeũ njĩthĩ kuma Mount Kenya mweke wa kuoya ibandĩ nĩguo matikeyandĩkithie ta aikia a kura.
Mwaka wa 98
Hudegia mwena wa Dandora Ebenezer Christian Church
mingi hau githurano ni kiyitwo na riu tondu ni me thirikari ni manyitanire na Raila ri na Ruto na Raila ni maturaga managira guku githurano ni kiye ri matihingure mathanduku matuonie kuria kiyagirwo handu hau turama thiruka guku makintwira ni kiyagwo ri riu ni mahingure mathanduku matuonie kuria kiyagirwo. Wa keri gukorwo kwina atongoria bururi-ini marorura makiuga ni makagira nginya kura kuma nja bururi wa nanja kiuma riri ucio ni rutagire kuoyo na njira huthu na ni mamenye bara yumaga maundu-ini ta macio na ukorwo ati kuri andu mari thirikari-ini mataramoera makinya no kuonanio koro ria mari naguo. Wa gatatu ni ati mamenye iriu ni tuwi watho uria turahitukirie na nandiko githurano maumirira ma githurano makanirirwo polling station, every polling station. Koguo andu arikia guikia kura wambirie kumirangira kumanagia na polling station.
Abatarania ni kuhingia ciiraniro cia recommendations iria ciri thiini wa commissions itiganite tondu Ndung'u commission ni yaririe uhoro wa migunda, Kirigira commission ni yaririe uhoro wa uria ithurano ciagiriirwo, uhoro wa utonga wa bururi uria wagiriirwo wanariririo ni nandiko BBI ni yaririirie. Koguo uhoro wa kuga ati kugie na giikaro kia anake na iritu na atumia na athuri kuu ni gwicokera kuri maundu maria maritio na ni kuhuthira mbeca ciagirirwo ni gutwariririo thiini wa maundu mangi. As uhoro wa anake kuragwo gutire kihoto kia mundu kurathwo kuguru kana kurathwo mutwe. Mwiri ni sacred, tuhetwo ni Ngai oroguo tuhu. Ehia kana aria mareka mahitia reke manyitwo na njira iria iri cia kihoto no ti kurathwo.
Tucoke kaunti ya Kiambu kuria makiria ma thukuru 14 cia secondary gicigo-ini ubunge Kiarari kaunti-ini ino nireketie kuhingwo kwa ihinda ritoikaine kurumirira arutwo kugoma na gucungiriria hathara ne mathukuru-ini macio. Undu uyu ni uhutĩtie na njira nene githomo guothe rari na makiria arutwo aingĩ a kirathi gia form 4 aria matanyitwo gwika kigeranio kiao kia muthia wa mwaka. Gitau kana Jao wa Kinuthia niwe wina riboti ino.
Thikũ nini tu thutha wa thukuru wa imwana wa Rari kũhingwo kũrũmĩrĩra arutwo kũũmundia mwaka na kũũthũkangia na gĩkĩro kĩnene, rĩu thukuru ingĩ makĩria ma 13 nacio nĩ ihingĩtwo kũrũmĩrĩra arutwo gũtuthũra gĩthagathago. Na to gĩthomo kĩhutĩtio, ĩndĩ ona aciari aingĩ nĩ mahutĩtio kuona nĩo megũkorwo magĩkuithio mũrigo wa hathara yothe ĩtũngĩtio mathukuru macio.
Tulikuja huku na tukajaribu sana kuwasaidia, lakini usaidizi wetu ulikuwa haba sana juu walikuwa very hostile watoto wetu, walikuwa wanarusha mawe, walikuwa wanapiga madirisha na mawe Sasa at least even the community members we are not safe.
Oho amwe a aciari nĩ matarĩirie atĩ ũrũgamĩrĩri wa thukuru nyingĩ ndũkoretwo ũkĩmahe ndũmĩrĩri na njĩra nginyanĩru, ũndũ ũrĩa marakarĩtie mũno.
Chenye imesababisha hii yote ni kutosikizana kutoelewa kwa walimu, especially the head teacher ambaye hasikizi wanafunzi. Tukichukua mfano kama Rally Boys hapa, ni mambo na entertainment ambayo iliharibika last term. From last term to this term, wanafunzi wanagoja wanafika mwisho. So at the end of it all, utasikia watu wakisema ni Moku inafanya, lakini ni the piled unfinished things yenye ina trigger.
Thukuru icio ni hamwe na thukuru wa imwana wa Rally, thukuru wa imwana wa Kĩjabi, thukuru wa airĩtu wa Kĩjabi, thukuru wa Kĩrenga,